Hey there, this is a quick tutorial on how to download Form 26AS. So in order to download Form 26AS, you will need to go to your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here, and type incometaxindia efiling.gov.in. This is the website that you will need to go in order to download your Form 26AS. Now here you have two options which you can click. So on the left hand side of this website, you can get some quick links which you can click, and one of the links here is view Form 26AS or your tax credit. The other way of downloading Form 26AS is by logging in here. So both these options go to the same place, and let me show you how you can download by clicking on the left hand side menu. Even if you press the right hand side, it will go to the same place. So after you clicked on view Form 26AS, you get to a login screen, which is the same if you would have pressed on the right hand side at the login. Now here you will need to put your user ID, which is your PAN number, your password, which you would have kept at the time of registering your PAN at Income Tax e-filing website, and update this captcha code. So let me do that quickly so that we can go to the next step. So here I have updated the PAN number, password and the captcha code. Now this Income Tax website is built with accessibility options. So if you are visually challenged, you can actually put on request OTP option here, which is the second option, and you will get an OTP on your mobile phone. So at the time of registering on e-filing website, you would have given a mobile number. The OTP would come at that number. So to simplify, I am putting this captcha code and proceeding. After this login page, you will have this dashboard and several other options on your income tax portal. You will need to go to my account, and the first option that you get here is view Form 26AS. Need to click on that. Once you press view Form 26AS, it will want you to redirect you to TDS CPC website. That's where all the information related to TDS is saved by income tax. So you need to confirm this. Once you get this attention, you have to click on the on the section here and click on proceed. So then you have the options, that is click here for Form 26AS. So just click on that one. Now you get the screen for Form 26AS. You will need to choose for which assessment year you would want to download. This assessment year is actually not your financial year, it is the next year after your financial year. So if you want to download this Form 26AS for FY 1920, you will need to select the next year of 1920, that is 2021. So I will be selecting assessment year 2020-21 and view as HTML. Once you do that, you need to click on view or download. After you clicked on view or download, you will see that export as PDF option is enabled, and click on this export and as PDF. So here there is a income tax file or your Form 26AS being downloaded. You can open this and review your Form 26AS, that what all TDS have been deposited and all the taxes that you have paid during the year, or the refunds that you've got during the year. Now it's very important to cross-verify your Form 26AS with all the income that you've received in the last financial year before you file your income tax return. I hope this is helpful. See you again next time.